Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to set up Tapo plug. Firstly, go to Google Play or App Store and download the Tapo app. Alternatively, scan the QR code that comes in the box. Now open the Tapo app and log in with your TP-Link ID. If you don't have one, tap Create TP-Link ID and follow the instructions. Now tap the plus button in the Tapo app, select Plugs, then Tapo plug. Plug it into a power outlet and wait until the LED blinks orange and green. Tap Already Orange and Green in the app. The app will prompt you to connect to your phone to the plug's temporary Wi-Fi network. Follow the on-screen steps. Now, select your Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi password, then tap Next. Now let's customize your plug. Name your plug and set a location, then choose an icon. After setup, check for firmware updates to keep it running smoothly. You can also set auto updates for convenience. And finally, your Tapo plug is ready. Control it anytime from your phone using the Tapo app. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.